Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha Das from CrackZat, and today we're going to talk about the 40 days planner for cracking the ZAT examination. Let me tell you that इससे पहले मैंने 50 days का planner भी लाया था. So the ones who have been following that, this is just a kind of concise version जहाँ पे मैंने कोई भी topics remove नहीं किए हैं, because at this point of time removing any topics is not a good deal. Now, what I just want you people to understand is, now that there are 10 days lesser than what we discussed before, it is very important for all of you to start focusing more on the questions which are very very specific to the ZAT examination, because ऐसा नहीं करने पर हो सकता है that you are going to give your time and energy into the places which might not be as much required in the ZAT examination as you thought. So let's start. Every day, one very important thing for all my viewers right there is that every single day you people are expected to learn all the topics, be it quant, verbal, DM, or even a little bit of DI. Okay, why am I so serious about it? Because this entire paper is very flexible and wants you to jump between topics one after the other. तो ऐसे में अगर आप इन 40 days में अपने आप को prepare नहीं करते हो for actually jumping between the sections, then it can be a little dangerous in the examination. So let's start practicing jumping from one section to another every single day for the remaining 40 days of the ZAT examination. So starting off, as you see in the quant topics, Priyasha being in love with modern mathematics is always suggesting to you people that you go through modern maths first, because modern maths के question का level of difficulty काफी कम होता है compared to the classic arithmetic and algebra questions. So if you go through them even till LOD 1 or 2 level, that can really help you to secure that 1 to 4 marks in the paper. Rare hai in papers इस क्वेश्चन का आना. बट देन व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर हियर टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि एटलीस्ट उस रेयर में से भी वो 4 मार्क्स अपने लिए कंफर्म कर लेना इज अ बिग डील फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, even if you are struggling for cutoff, or even if you are planning to amplify your scores in quant. Coming to the verbal section, of course the skimming scanning technique is with which you're gonna get started. Verbal की बात करें तो मैं खुद भी आपके लिए grammar sessions लेने वाली हूँ. So stay tuned, join my lives every day at 11 p.m. now, and I will be not only taking care of GK but decision making and verbal too. और भी कुछ अगर आपको रिक्वायर्ड है तो आप जरूर मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए. अब डिसीजन मेकिंग को वैसे तो मैंने डिफरेंट सेक्शंस में डिवाइड किया है, इन केस यू वांना break it down, but I would be giving you a suggestion that if you haven't done a proper analysis of the last 10-15 years of decision making paper, then please go ahead and do that. And one very important thing which you people might have observed on the last column is the mock section. मॉक में आप देख सकते हो कि माई रिक्वायरमेंट फ्रॉम यू इज दैट यू हैव टू डू टॉपिक टेस्ट इन सेक्शनल्स, एंड पहले 20 days में the bare minimum I demand from you is a 5 full length mock. Yes, I require you to do 5 full length mocks जिसका proper analysis आपको करना है. A minimum of 2 hours and a maximum of the same hour, that is 3.5 hours का time आपको spend करना है properly ये check करने में, एनालाइज करने में कि कौन से सेक्शन में आपने कैसा परफॉर्म किया है, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आर इजीली डुएबल or not. In fact, you can also suggest some kind of changes to yourself based on how you have been performing over the past 2 or more mocks. And you can also gain my suggestions if required by putting it up in a query nonstop, or by booking up a session where we can sit together and discuss कि आप किस जगह पर ज़्यादा focus कर सकते हो to increase your marks. Now coming down below, we have para jumble, sentence completion for verbal part. ठीक है, DM तो stays constant the same way. DI में specifically मेरी एक suggestion रहेगी कि don't just go by the basic types I have mentioned over here, like bar graph, table graphs, and all that information. More important things over here to catch up is that you have to also go to the miscellaneous section of any book or any course material you are referring to. DI के सेट्स को शुरू हमेशा मिसलेनियस सेक्शन से करिए, क्योंकि जैट के पेपर में इट्स 100% श्योर दैट एक सेट जरूर कुछ स्पेशल सा न्यू आएगा. दिस इज वन सेक्शन वेयर कैट एक्चुअली टेक्स नोट्स फ्रॉम जैट, बिकॉज कैट में इस बार कैंडल स्टिक पर DI आया था, बट यू गाइज वेरी वेल नो दैट कैंडल स्टिक का क्वेश्चन शायद 2022 में ही जैट में आ गया था. So it's like they always try to come up with some sort of special or new DI sets along with calculation base. तो अगर आपको DI पे ज़्यादा score करने का मन है, then you definitely start practicing some speed math stuff like converting fractions to percentages, percentage back to fraction, percentage increase के shortcuts, percentage decrease के shortcuts, and so on. Moving down, something special which I want you people to also learn for the ZAT examination is the progression APGP series and a quadratic equation पर भी थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा if you want to gain marks in the algebra section. And moving down, there is relatively not much difference. If you have already prepared for CAT, then ये journey आपकी definitely easy रहने वाली है. But what after 20 days? My expectation from you people is that after 20 days you start working on those topics of quant, verbal and DM where you have been finding yourself a little more confident in, because last के 10-20 days अगर आप अपने strong areas पे focus करते हो, then there are high chances of you maximizing your score in the real examination as well. Along with that, मेरे live sessions तो रहेंगे 11 PM पे, which you should not miss out at any cost. And yes, if you want to reach out to me, then here are all the portals on which I'm available, guys, be it Telegram, Instagram, or Unstock. All of them are free of cost for you to drop a query and get your questions resolved. And if you want to connect with me over a one-on-one call, then go and check my profile out on Unstock. And thank you so much for making me the mentor of the month over there as well. थैंक्स अ लॉट गाइस. 40 डेज का प्लान है आपके लिए. अगर आपको इस प्लानर को डाउनलोड करना है तो अगेन द सेम प्लेस वे यू डाउनलोडेड द 50 डेज प्लानर फ्रॉम, go to Unstop and download it for free. And if you can't, then put it as a query. I will myself attach that file and send it to you right there in Unstop. Okay, so take care. Thank you so much and see you in the coming videos. Till then, study hard. Bye bye. And कोई भी queries हो, questions हो, तो मुझे please comment section में बताइएगा. See you in the next video. Till then, don't forget to like this video, share it with more and more people so that this channel grows, and most importantly, subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Take care. Bye bye.